The event over the 2 days was amazing. In particular, the talks were very well structured, and the overview of the different topics in bioprocessing and bioinnovation in general were really interesting. So we had a very global and high picture view on what we are seeing currently as trends in the industry, and also what we're seeing as trends in the shop floors. So we really had this high resolution of what's globally going on, but also what is locally. I would say definitely a 9 to 10. More likely a 10 than a 9.
That's
because for me, from the topics, the event was really good. But not only the topics and the content was really good, but the networking opportunities. So there's plenty of opportunity to network. I met lots of people with whom I could really collaborate and extend well. And I mean, I've done a lot of interesting hookups, and let's see where we take it from here.